Oh my god, my system is destroyed. Now what should I do? I'm stuck. I spent dozens of hours and countless failed attempts to make my Xiaomi 15 Chinese edition with latest April security patch based HyperOS 3 convert to Global ROM and to unlock its bootloader. But unlocking bootloader of Xiaomi Chinese device is quite impossible for any global user. So I'm going to show you the exact process that I have followed and make my Xiaomi 15 Chinese edition fully unlocked a global phone. If you are on April 2026 security patch based HyperOS 3 Chinese edition ROM, then this video is only for you. First, the critical prerequisite for this total process. Before you even touch your phone, make sure that every details is available to you. Otherwise, you will break your phone. First, in your laptop, make sure you have properly installed ADB drivers and you have properly set up platform tools and also necessary Xiaomi USB drivers and Qualcomm drivers. Then you have to install Bootloader 9008 driver for make your device bootable into EDL on your laptop. You need to purchase one thing, and that is EDL V2 cable, which is available in online. Now, the crucial part is you have to make sure that your device UFS storage is based on Samsung. If it's not, then you should avoid this total video. Now, you have to download some big files. First, you have to download the engineering package of Xiaomi 15 device. Second, you have to download the Chinese ROM that you are using right now in your phone. That's fastboot file. Third, you have to download the global ROM that you want to shift. For downgrading, I'll suggest you to download HyperOS 3 ROM with January security patch. Then, you have to download the leaked unlock file available everywhere in internet and Telegram especially for your device. You can visit or log me in my Telegram group. I will give you the resource. Now, you have to download custom patched MiFlash tool, also a patched EDL out bypass tool, and finally, you need a lot of patience. Now, first step is if everything discussed in previous is already available to you, then you should go with my next procedure. First, you have to boot your device in EDL mode. What should you do? You have to put your EDL cable in your laptop, press the button of that cable, make your phone completely shut down. After shutdown, wait for 10 seconds. Keep the EDL button pressed and then plug it to your phone. This will boot your device in EDL mode. You will hear a sound from your laptop or your PC. Now, the second is you have to flash your engineering package. In this case, depends on your engineering ROM. You will need to flash it via MiFlash 2, which is a modified MiFlash 2, or you can just use your command line for flashing that engineering package. After flashing your package, don't reboot in your system. Instead, you reboot into fastboot mode. By flashing this engineering ROM, you successfully bypass the ARB lock in your system. Then boot into EDL mode again. Now, load your desired downgrade package in your MiFlash tool modified version. Select Clean All. If you accidentally choose Clean All and Lock, your device will be immediately bricked, and that will be a heartbreak. Flash the downgrade package, and after flashing complete, go to your fastboot mode again for resetting your device. Now, as you have successfully downgraded, you need to boot your device. Don't install too many apps. Just install basic apps that you need, as you have to go through your unlock process now. For unlock process, a leaked file you will get from internet or in Telegram, which will allow you to unlock the bootloader of Xiaomi 15 successfully. After this, you can flash the global ROM that you have downloaded in previous successfully. And in the total process, don't try to lock your bootloader. Always when flashing, please ensure that you are pressing on Clean All. After flashing a global ROM, you will notice that your SIM card isn't visible. In this case, you have to flash the modem files for your phone from the Chinese ROM that you are coming from. Boot into your fastboot mode, then from platform tools, navigate to your modem files and flash them. Now, after booting, you can see that your SIM is working properly and your bootloader is unlocked. So this is the total from me. Thank you for watching.